Hi, I'm Lauren and welcome into the LTA Creation Studio. Today I'm going to begin a series. It's called Increasing. I'll be doing a Dutch pour, and with each canvas I'm going to increase in size. So I'll be starting with a 6" by 6" canvas, and I'll be working my way up through the different videos to a 36 by 36. Today I'm going to do a 6 by 6 and an 8" by 8" for you. Let's get painting. So I've prepared the white base colour for the Dutch pour. So it's 6" or 15 centimetres by 6" 15 centimetres. I'm going to be using Blick Acrylic. It's Patho Blue with black added. Then I have this Liquitex heavy bodied paint, Naphthol Crimson. You need to let the paint sit in a little bit of water first, just a little bit to soften it up before adding Floetrol to it. Then I have Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue with white added to it. I have Liquitex Basics Gold, and I also have Blick Acrylic Copper here as well. They're the colours that I'll be using throughout this increasing series. Let's get going with our first canvas. The dark blue, the crimson, cobalt blue, copper, might put a little bit more of that light blue, and gold. Bit lighter. I'm just going to blow this little canvas out with my breath rather than using a hairdryer for this pour. There's some nice little cells, little bits of lacing. I'll bring you in for a closer look on it once I've done the next canvas. Let me set that up. Here's our next canvas, which is 8" or 20 centimetres by 8" 20 centimetres. Let's pour the colours on again. We've got our dark blue, and the same with this one. I'm going to blow with my mouth. I'll bring both canvases together so we can have a look at these. Here they are next to each other. This is fun. Let's go down to the smaller canvas first. The red's a lot more prominent in this. I probably put more red on it proportionally to the other canvas, to this one. There's really nice little tiny cells just in here. But it's really beautiful. I love how there's just that element of through here, like just little bits of purple being highlighted. I didn't want it to become too purple. I really wanted it to be red and blue with the metallics shining through. There's probably more metallic in this one than there is in this one. So I'm interested to see what happens as I keep increasing in size. Next time I will be doing a 10-inch and a 12-inch. So tune in and hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.